Okay, let's go back to that lab configuration. We have done that lab last session from A to Z. However, some of you haven't attended that for some reasons, and we couldn't actually get the video online. So what I'm going to do exactly, I will try to go over the configuration again. I believe that most of you already have built that topology, which I believe that's very basic. And I put all the configuration I need on my screen over here. So what is that exactly? I don't need to go to the piece of paper here to see which interface has which IP. I don't need to do that. So for example, I do not need to go here to see which interface has which IP address or subnet mask or anything. So how to do that? Just only, let's put this one aside like this. What to do exactly? This is my network, the one network I have over here. This network is 192.168.10, which is /24, site 24, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. All right. So what I need exactly, the first IP in that one, which is .1, which is 192.168.1.1, it will be configured as a gateway for the router. And the PC over here, .10, which is over here, as you can see, I put over here 192.168.1.10, 255.255.0, and my gateway is 1.1. I will do the same thing, similar things to all those networks, the three networks. Over here, I have .1, that's 1.1. I have over here 5.1. I have over here 3.1. Okay, and over here 3.10, and over here 5.10. I configured those ones already. Perfect. So what else I will need to configure? The RIB, I put the RIB already exactly over here. What's the RIB exactly? I put the two network or the network connected directly to that router. What's the network over here? 4.0, and over here 5.0, as you can see here. Here, what I have here, I have 2.0 and 1.0 over here, right? What about here? He has three different links. So I'm gonna put 3.0, yes, and 4.0, yes, and 2.0, 2, 3, 4 over here. So what I need exactly to remember, if I want to remember, you need to remember one configuration, interface configuration, which is very basic. Interface, whatever the interface name, and you put the IP address and the subnet mask. That's it, that's it. Something like this. This is the only, like this, for example, interface, whatever the interface is, if it's path 0 or serial 00 or serial 01 or whatever it is. What you need exactly, you just need to add whatever the interface and the IP address, the subnet mask, and no shut. You need that command for all those interfaces, nothing more than that, and you will repeat it all way around. Let's go take one by one. I'm gonna start with this one. Okay, let me just put this one aside to hide this, and I will work on that. So what I need to configure in this one, I need to configure here the fast Ethernet 00 and the serial 000 with the IP address and then the RIB on it. So we finished the whole configuration in one router at one. So I'm not going to come back to that router again. All right, so let's go over here. Here it is. there is a command which I believe I mentioned to you. You need to put that. If anybody still remembers the no IP domain, anybody remember that or not? No IP domain lookup. Just only not. We don't want anyone to cut you. We don't want the command prompt cut you off. Anyway, now I need to configure the interface. Let's start with the fast 00. What to do with the fast 00? IP address. What is my IP address over here? 5.1. All right. 192.168.1.1 or 5.1. 5.1. What is the subnet mask? Here and no shut. As soon as I did that, can you see this? Start turning into green. All right. What else? I need to configure the second interface, which is serial 000. Very basic. Interface serial 000. What is the IP address over here? That's 4.1. Okay. 192.168.4.1. What is the subnet mask? And no shut. It's up already over here. However, why still down? Because the other side, can you see this one? The other side is still down. If you have the link like this, and it has one side up and one side down, both still down. You have to put this one up as well. Okay, so now I finished the configuration here and here. What I'm missing here, the rib. Okay, let's go finish the rib as well so we can be done with that router. Okay, and I'm gonna do router rib version 2, and I'm gonna list the network. What is the network I have? 192.168.4.0, 195.0. That's it. That's it. Do I have to do anything else? Nothing. That's it. Here it is, and here, and I'm gonna copy all these to my device. Done. Done. We're done here. Now I need to go over here and start to configure this one. Let's hide this one. So I'm gonna configure this one up here. Are you okay, or everybody is? Are you follow or not? Are you follow? Any issue? Here, I'm gonna configure this one. Now, what I'm gonna start with as well, I'm gonna start with the fast interface, fast 00. What is the IP address over here? The IP address is 1.1. All right, 192.168.1.1. What is the subnet mask? And no shut. Here it is. It become green, which means everything is okay. Now I need to configure this one, serial 001. What is the IP address? 2.1. All right, no problem. Interface serial 001. IP address 192.168.2.1. 255.255.255.0. No shut. Done. Done. Here it is. So what else I have here? Router rib version 2. What is the network? What are the network over here? 192.168.1.0 and 2.0. That's it. That's it. That's what I need here. 1.0, 2.0. Do I need to put anything else here? No. I'm gonna copy this data and I'm done with this router as well. Up to here, are you follow? I just want to hear you. David, Tipika, Hafiz, what do you think? Are you okay up to here?
Yes, sir. But
All
you're
right.
too fast.
No,
Yes,
it's not.
yes, sir.
Actually, I'm trying
Sir,
to be slow, really.
yes,
Uh,
sir. Thank you. A bit slow, sir. Thank you.
bit slow? All right, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really slow, by the way. But anyway, let's go over here, and I will configure the last one here, and here it is. Let me just hide those ones. I don't want to get confused. So what I have over here, now let me show you the networks. What I have here, I have this one, which we have the 2.2 and 3 and 4 and 3. Okay, what is that link is? This is 192.168.4.2. Okay, why is that? Because I put number 1 here, 1 here, 2 here, 1 here, 2 here. So the IP address in that one will be 4.2. Okay, and over here will be 2.2. And the last one over here, I think that's easy, 3.1. So let's go over here and configure the beginning, the fast Ethernet. So you can see that if it's up. That's config T. I'm going to type the interface fast 0.0. What is the IP address over here? 192.168.3.1, which is this one, by the way, 3.1. What is the subnet mask? 255.255.250, and no shut. As you can see here, NSH means no shut, but shortcut. This one becomes green right now. Everything is good, no problem. Now I need to configure those two. All right, let's go over here and interface serial 0.0.0. What's that exactly? All right, what is the IP address here? That's 4.2, 192.168.4.2. 255.255.250, and no shut. Watch. Here it is. Now that link becomes green as well. Okay. What I need as well, I need to finish the last piece, which is before the rib. This one, that interface is serial 001. The IP address What is the IP address? 192.168.2.2. Yep, 2.2. What is the subnet mask? 255.255.0. And no shut as well. Here it is. It becomes green as well. Perfect. So if you look at the screen here, everything green right now, which everything is okay. Now last piece, which is the rib. What is the rib exactly over here? Again, I need to list the network's ID, which is linked to that router, whatever it is. I have 3.0, I have 2.0, I have 4.0. That's it, that's it. So the router rib, that's version 2. Network, what is the network here? 192.168.2.0, 3.0, 4.0. That's it. That's it. Now I'm gonna go over here. Let's see what I can see over here. Let me just go back over here. Can you see this one? How to do the router rib? Just put version 2 from me, nothing else, and then after that list the network ID. Up to here, let's go over there and let's see if your work is correct. Okay. Can you see this one? If you can see the R means red. If you see R, that means red. That means you have here, that one has two connections. That router has two connections, 1 to 2.0 and 1 to 4.0. If you cannot see any R in your router, that means you have a problem with your configuration. Over here, if I go over here as well, show IP route, can you see that? Perfect. Okay. If I go over here, here it is. Seems everything is okay. Now, how to troubleshoot your work? For example, Algie, when he did the work, he pinged from here to here right away. Okay, can I do something as a troubleshooting? Yes, I can ping from here, for example. Let me show you the, here it is. I'm gonna ping, for example, this is 3.10, 192.168, 3.10. Oh, here it is working. Perfect. No problem. So now it's working. I'm gonna ping the other one, which is 1.10, which is this PC. So I will ping 1.10 this time. Perfect. Everything is working. Okay. So assume that it didn't work. By the way, we have a simulation here which can show you the ping by one. For example, if you ping something like this, it can show you the pinging step by step if you want to, and it tell you that if it has any problem with that and where exactly the ping stopped. However, assume that I tried to ping from here to here and it give me error. What to do exactly to fix that? Watch this one. The first thing to do, you need to ping your own gateway first. Ping the way you go like this. Sure, here there's no IP, so you need to ping your gateway. Then you ping this one. Then you ping that one. Then you ping here and here. And you will see where is the problem exactly. For example, I'm gonna go over here. If you have any error, what to do exactly? I'm gonna ping something like that. Let me just minimize that. I need to ping here, my gateway, my own gateway. So I ping first my gateway. What is my gateway? 192.168.5.1, which is that one, by the way. My router. Here it is. Yes, I can reach my router. Perfect. Okay. So if I can reach my router, that means I can ping here as well. All right. What is that IP? That's 4.1. Okay. I'm gonna ping 4.1. Okay, I can ping up to here. Look at this. I ping here, then here. Perfect. Now, I need to ping up here. What is that? 4.2. Here as well. Perfect. Okay, if I cannot reach up to here, just ping this one as well. So I ping here, I can reach. I ping here, I can reach. I can ping here, I can reach. Ping this one. What is that? 3.1. That's 3.1. Like this. Anywhere you ping, for example, I try to ping here and it give me error. So watch this one. I ping here, it give me okay. I ping here, get me okay. I tried to ping here, it didn't get me okay. Where is the problem in this router? Again. I ping here, it give me okay. I ping here, give me okay. I ping here, it didn't give me okay. So where is the problem? Here. You have missing something here. What about if I ping here, it didn't give me okay? What I ping here, it didn't. That means the problem in that interface. That interface is the problem here, and so on. So if you try to ping, if you ping from one device to another device, and you have a problem with pinging, try to ping all your way down. So take it like what we call it, node per node, or link per link, from here, 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 like this. What about if I try to ping here? It didn't work. Very easy. The same concept. You ping here, working. Ping here, working. Ping here, working. Here is working. Here is not working. That means the problem in that router. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Anil, Vishal, David, Deepika, Sonny, Cher.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Everything is okay?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If it's a little bit fast, I'm gonna try to put you that video online, and after I double check on it, I'll try to send you the link through the email.
Yes, please, sir.
I'll do my best. Let's see just only the cloud, if the cloud take that video or not. That's what I'm trying to make that video a little bit short, so the size of the video become smaller, so I can upload it online. Okay, now, do you have any issue? What you need exactly, you need to build something like this, save that, and then upload that. Save the file as whatever the name you like, and then upload that into lab submission number 7. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you don't have any question, if you don't have anything, feel free to go. I'll do my best to upload that video tonight. And I'll see you next week. If you have any issue, email me. I'll be more than happy to reply back to your email as soon as possible.
Thank you, sir.
All right, enjoy your weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
My pleasure.
Sir, what about the attendance?
I have taken the attendance in the first 20 minutes already. I took screenshot for whoever attends.
Thank you, sir.
My pleasure.
Oh, my.